Senator Omutata, with respect, just let me say one thing to them.
No, I'm the chair, not Omutata.
But chair,
let's have Senator Omutata. I'll give you an opportunity.
Yeah, please.
I'll give you an opportunity.
Let's not proceed in that fashion.
I've been giving you some
You also must
time.
respect the
Can I have Senator Omutata to ask his question?
Chair, you know it's impeachment season. Please don't joke around with us.
It doesn't matter. I will stick with the standing orders. I will stick with the standing orders.
You watch.
Let's have Senator Omutata. Senator Omutata.
Always pretending that.
As Honorable Chair, thank you for the opportunity. And I want to begin by saying that Honorable Waziri, also thank you for giving us a well paginated and arranged documents. I must appreciate that. It has been easy to follow your documents. I only wanted to refer you to Exhibit BB and CC. Those are drafts of the ALG reports, and if you look at Exhibit BB, it really has got no value. It just has an index, just a list of indexes. But when your brother Honorable Churchill was here, he brought us final reports of that study. So I don't understand why you brought us drafts when your brother brought us final copies of the reports, on which I had wanted to ask you questions, but you brought drafts that are not really applicable. So I would be asking, I've got two documents I would like to table here, which I would ask I think copies are with the clerk. There's a dispatch from the cabinet, that's issue number 8 of 2024, and there's an affidavit that was filed by ADANI in High Court Judicial Review case number E199 of 2024. And I would like the minister, I'll refer the minister to that document. But before I get there, there's this letter that was given that came from the State Department of Transport, dated 1st March 2024. It's a small detail that is really disturbing me. The letter is dated 1st March 2024. It's coming from the Department of Transport. You have told us here that the KAA received a document. It went through the document, found it suitable, gave it to the department to forward here. Now, when you look at the ADANI proposal, it is dated March 2024. This letter is dated 1st of March 2024. Did the KAA receive a document that had not been authored? Because I'm finding it extremely difficult, even assuming that the document is dated 1st of March, I'm finding it extremely difficult that a document dated March had moved from the Kenya Airports Authority, had been received there, had moved from the Kenya Airports Authority to the Department of Transport, and then it had been submitted to Treasury on the 1st of March by that letter. Either we are dealing with fiction or something is not adding up. So to clarify that, you say that upon presentation of the proposal, $50,000 was paid. Can I have the receipt of that money so that I can confirm the day when ADANI made the proposal? I've checked your documents, I don't see that receipt. I would like to be assured of the date.
You have another question?
Yeah, no, I just want that quick clarify, because that looks like fiction, so you'll clarify that. And as we go ahead, I would like to put to the CS that the requirement for due diligence is not in 2 stages. Section 25, Section 27, and Section 42, Clause 2 and Clause 3 have to be read together. You cannot have 2 reports of due diligence. It's your creation to try and justify an excess. There is no provision in the law for 2 stages of due diligence. The 2 sections are to be read together. Otherwise, I don't know what we shall be doing. So to me, it's only 1 due diligence that should be done from my reading of the law. The first one is general, as a general provision of due diligence, the one under 27. The one under 25, under 40, is specific, and it's just to make sure that you don't miss that within this particular process. So I don't see how you are reading the law to get that you can do 2 stages of due diligence. Another question that I have is on in this, when you look at the item you have brought in as the ADANI, which is also what the proposal, that is exhibit exhibit under H and I. I would like to walk you through that document by the ADANI group. And one of the questions is, I want you to show me where in that document ADANI is giving Kenya even 1 cent, and whether ADANI is an agent of the government of Kenya or an investor, or whether ADANI is a broker who is looking for investors, and whether we are walking the same route we walked to the SGR, where it proposed that it was going to head the money, then it said it was going to look for investors. Then at the end of the day, we ended up with something called government to government through the Exim Bank of China. So I want you to show me in this document that you brought where ADANI is giving Kenya 1 cent. Forget about the billions you're talking about. Or whether ADANI is presenting itself as an agent of the government of Kenya to put together a consortium of financiers. Also, as we go, I want to refer you to, I've looked at this document, I didn't have much time, I've looked at the document. I want to refer you to page 5 of the document.